హలో, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. మీరు చూస్తున్నది ఇండియన్ వెదర్, హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ. సో సడన్గా రెయిన్ వచ్చేసింది. సో మార్నింగ్ ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. సో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్తున్నాం. సో ఫుల్ వాన చూసారు కదా, రోడ్ అంతా వెత్. సో ఎటు చూసినా వాన ఉంటుంది. సో నిన్ననే గట్టిగా వాన పడడంతో ఆ ముందు కనబడుతున్న ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్ వెళ్ళింది. ద ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మర్ హ్యాస్ బ్లాస్ట్ ఎస్టర్డే డ్యూ టు రెయిన్ అండ్ the total roads are so much of wet. So please let me know how was the weather condition in your country and in your city, so that we will get to know there is a quick change in the weather or not. So you can see currently the total road is wet due to heavy rains yesterday night, and now it is settled down. Okay, so the people are going to the office and I am also trying to catch my bus. So wait, so you can see the street dogs are hunting for something. Oh, the small dog. Now we have to take left turn. You can see the total road is empty. Now we have to catch the bus. I have to travel 500 meters. So this is Annapurna Mess. We can have a breakfast here, a good breakfast we can have. So we'll go move on. So now you can see still we have to move 200 meters to for the bus stop. So the total now the morning 6:30 is the time. So we are going ahead. So you can see this is a church. Okay, and beside to that there is a Shanti theater. Now they have converted this as a some storage place, but once upon a time it's a good theater for the movie, watching the movies. Now this is a circle, so where we have to cross. Okay, the roads are little wet, still the drainage system not properly used. Okay, so I will cross this road. I'll continue. Oh shit, that is my bus which I need to catch, but unfortunately the bus went out. So you can see the bus is just missing. No problem, we'll get more buses. So this is a place where I need to wait for the bus stop. We'll continue second part. Bye bye.